Hi everyone, my name is Lily and I work at the Bathurst Clark Resource Library. Today I'm here to talk to you about a book called The Rosie Project. The story follows Don Tillman, who is a socially awkward genetics professor. He was trying to find a perfect life partner through a carefully designed scientific questionnaire. You can imagine the frustration Don went through. However, everything changed when he met Rosie. She was everything that Don did not look for in a life partner, but they bonded over a DNA project trying to find Rosie's father. They fell in love unexpectedly. This book was charming and odd and humorous. If you're looking for something lighthearted to read during this stressful time, give this book a go. The Rosie Project is available on Hoopla through Vaughan Public Libraries. I hope this book brings a big smile on your face during this time. Stay home and stay safe.